Here is the BCH coin price prediction because I just shorted it. This will be a no BS, very quick price prediction on everything I think and my trade setup. Obviously, no financial advice. Let's start. So BCH just liquidated a bunch of longs between 567 and 569, as we can see here. 500k shorts. I mean, 400k shorts. 400k shorts, 500k shorts, 600k shorts, and a bunch of other that were opened on this candle right here at 430 at 552. So we're already up 2-3% above that, and they're liquidated. They probably used 50x leverage because 2% liquidation on 2% move to get you liquidated is a 50x leverage. So right now we're looking to add to our shorts as well, and basically two moves. I'm interested in this level, the 56574 and 55889. These two levels are levels I think will hit very easily. I'll be moving the levels if view up goes above it to view up, because I don't want to get wicked in a bad way. So that's exactly how I'm planning to trade BCH. If you want to follow every single trade I have, we're up 262 grand on BullX, 30 grand on this new wallet since I started. If you want to follow this every single trade, I have a link in the description down below to my Signals chat. Some people are asking me on Telegram about different trades and their calls. But yeah, if you want to follow the Signals, link in the description down below, and also link in the description down below if you want to follow my course. It's a one-time payment of $117. Goes over everything I can, and I want to make these videos very condensed. So yeah, hopefully you like them. If you have some tips, give me them in the description down below. I can make another BCH video tomorrow.